A $100 cash card will be given away each day, and you don't need to be present to win. Thanks to Chevrolet, they're proud to honor America's military with the best discount from any car company. For details, visit our display or gmmilitaridiscount.com. There's the C-2 Greyhound, built by Grumman, part of the Grumman Iron Works, that builds such great aircraft as the F4F Wildcat, the F6F Hellcat, the F8F Bearcat, the F7F Tigercat. Oh, there's another cat, yeah, the F-14 Tomcat. That's another. This is the C-2 Greyhound that has the skydivers from the Red Devil's parachute team aboard coming back in. That's how it works. Hey, Sean, come over here for a minute, would you? Let me trade headsets with you. Grab, put that one down for just a minute. Put this one on here. I want to ask you a couple of questions because this is what you do, right? This air traffic control is your game, correct? Yes, sir. Now tell me a little bit about what you do, what the scope looks like, and how you do this kind of controlling. Okay. What we're usually looking at, not usually, what we're always looking at. Round scope, we got the top portion is a angled line, which is what we call the glide slope, as you heard them calling above and below the glide path in the calls inbound. The lower portion of the scope is another straight line. We refer to that as the azimuth or the course line, and that would have been what you would have been referencing here in the controller, say right or left of course. So all of that works out with that scope. You're all trained in doing that, and they rely on you big time, don't they? Absolutely. Thanks, Sean, very much. Sean Powers, our air boss, on control of the thing. And with me on stage here is Jay Lerner, call sign Rooney, who was in fact flying his last mission as an